Anna, is this your first snow? Do you see the snow falling? Are you pretty excited? Anna, is the snow falling? Are you going to make a snowman?
Make some heads.
Yeah. Did the snow fall on your head? Do you see it coming down out there?
I see the
You're pretty excited, aren't you? This is a big day for you. It doesn't snow very much down here. Are you wearing your new sweatshirt?
Mommy here.
You see Lindsay outside?
No, Mommy.
You see Mommy? She going to the store? She's going to go get us some milk and eggs and bread for the snow emergency. So just in case something happens, we can always make French toast. Yeah, I see Daddy's car.
I see this one.
Where does Cadence live?
Cadence here.
Is that her house?
This house.
She lives with Heath? That's her daddy? What's the name of her mommy?
I eat her fries.
You want to eat French fries?
No French fries.
What did we have for dinner?
French fries.
No, we had fish.
Yes.
And did you have ice cream for dessert?
Mm.
Pretty good, huh?
I think so.
You want to do your presidents, Anna? Washington? Who's after Washington? Who's after Washington? Anna, who comes after Washington?
Adams.
And who's after Adams?
Jefferson.
And who's after Jefferson? And who's after Madison?
Whoa.
You got 'em.
I just want some soup.
What?
I'm not ready.
Oh, you shoved me. Oh, that hurt, Daddy. You say you're sorry?
Sorry.
All right, say bye-bye.